I'm gonna take a shovel full of gold. We're gonna put 5 little chunks of lead in on top. We're gonna run a cycle, see how long it takes, and see if we still got lead when we get done. So I'm gonna get the gravel now. Tom's helping video for me, and let's see if we can get this done and see what it looks like. See if we can get a little bit more dirt. A little bit more. Okay, Tom, hand me those 5 pieces of lead. You see what we got here. You got 4. You must have lost one.
Oh, still in my hand. It's stuck to my hand.
Okay, 5 pieces of lead. We're gonna put them on the top of the pile. Now I'm gonna take this into the water and I'm gonna work it down to see how long it takes it to wash out and clear. Take the pan, put my hands on the ends. We'll take it into the flow of the water. We'll take it down this way and give it a juice. Give it a little juke. Give it a juke that way and break it up. Now I'm gonna turn it this way. Get it under the water and let the water do the work. We're ramming it now, the gold ram. As the gold ram rams, we'll see what happens with it here. Okay, I'm gonna bring it on up. See how we're looking here. There's 2 leads. See if we got one down here.
Yeah, there's one.
I think there's one down here at the bottom. Made it all the way down there. We'll have to dump it up. There's 1, 2 right here. But look in these holes right here, folks. Now, we're going to do a quick little cleanup. There's another one of the leads right there. So we're going to do a quick cleanup. This is the way you clean this doodad up. I got this fancy bottle that I found. But you just take it and lay it into a bucket. Wash it out. It's all cleared out, ready for another run. Got a couple of rocks stuck in it, but we'll get those out. But that's the way it works. What you never do when you're holding this thing is you never tip it this way or this way when you got it in the flow of the water. You do that when you got it against the water flow, but when you turn into the flow, keep it flat and give it a little jigging motion or a ramming motion like you're gonna knock somebody's door down with a battering ram. And that's what we try to do with it. So thank you, folks. I hope you got an idea how it works that way. We'll do the best we can. We'll do another run, maybe check it out. Thank you.